Hello, teacher and mates. I'm Angelica Lozano. I'm getting a bachelor degree teaching English as a foreign language. Today, I'm going to explain my map. So, map is about improving writing literacy through digital gaming, literacy like Facebook gaming and the composition classroom. As we know, the composition continually involves the new technologies and the newer generation transform the digital literacies. Also, the use of digital tools makes easier identify, access, manage, integrate, and evaluate, analyze the digital resources. Build helps to build a new knowledge and create media and expression and communicate with others. The digital literacies, the students are networking and learning to match social mediums to the information that they generate. On the other hand, we have that today the students are making their own ones through the gaming experience literacies from digital tools. These literacies and the social skills are cultivated through the network. You can see there are many research that have found that through the gaming or the digital gamings, the students can improve their skills like maybe thinking problems, solving problems, analyzing, investigating, understanding the rules and codes, and also improving their grading skills. For example, is Mafia Wars. Mafia Wars is a game on Facebook that involves joining through a fake mafia family with a fake friends and fighting with another mafias. And also, they have to build a virtual environment, so they have to communicate. In this game, the students have to analyze and some literacies and read and analyze many advices, many literacy in the game, improving the communication and the grading. And so this is my explain of my map. So I hope you like it and thank you for watching my video. Be fine.